Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a minute. I haven't done any of my monthly maintenance in a very long time. It's probably been a month for as long as I've been away from the channel. So it's time to take care and stand on business. And first things first, I'm just gonna quickly shape my nails, make sure that it's cute and it's clean and neat more than anything. And right now I'm removing all of the dead skin under my cuticles. I haven't done maintenance, I haven't done my pedicure in a very long time, so there's quite a bit of dead skin underneath that I want to get rid of first, and that's why I'm starting with this particular process before pushing back my cuticles. Look at that. It was just getting very bad at this point. I spent a lot more time than I'm showing now. Next, I'm using my drill just to make sure that I get all those lost pieces of skin, those stubborn pieces that might still be attached, so that by the time I use my nippers, it'll make things a lot more easier. I've watched quite a few Russian dry manicures, so I'm using their technique right now. I'm pretty confident in it, especially because it does help with the longevity. And when I get into such greater detail, my toes do last. Next, I'm removing the shine with my drill. It's so much easier for me to use my drill because this step goes that much faster and I'm cutting down on a lot of time. Next, I'm cutting away all that dry, dead skin that is surrounding my nails. Very stubborn too, because it's been a long time. It's been a very long time. I'm gonna quickly dust off all that dry, dead skin, and moving on to putting on the builder gel. It's called the reinforced gel. I've used it quite a bit on this channel, and I've decided to do this creamy off-white color. Very cute. This is how it looks on the first application, but I'm going to do a few layers of this first and top it off with a white French. I decided on the French last minute. I thought it would look great with this color, and it did not disappoint, because look at that. Look at that. Neat, short, cute, and very quick, most importantly. Moving on to nails. So I'm using these nail tips. I've used them quite a bit. Still have a lot of them, again, with my gels, the reinforced gel and the UV glaze. And I'm starting with pushing my cuticles back on for my manicure. I also haven't done my manicure in a month, or probably even longer. It's been a while. So I did have to spend just as much time on prep here too. I'm gonna grab my drill and just remove all that dry and dead skin under there, and make sure that it is clean, it is neat, which will help with adhering. I'm cutting off my cuticles. As you can see, they're a little bit overgrown now. Usually they're short because of how much I do my nails in a month, but they've grown quite long, and in this process I just make sure to go as slowly as I possibly can so I don't cut myself. I usually cut myself, and this time I was determined not to, because it's actually quite sore when I have to shape again and seal my cuticle. It's just a hassle. I'm removing that first layer of shine in preparation for putting on my tips. I'm going to use the reinforced gel to apply the tips, just like this. I put a little bit on it, and I take this process as slow as possible so that I can get as much of the gel onto the rest of my nails, just like that. And I'm applying a little bit of pressure, just a bit, enough to spread it. And to seal and make sure that everything is blended nicely, I go over with the drill. Next is the reinforced gel again. I use it as a builder gel. I use it as an adhesive, duality. Again with the same off-white color. First application, you can see how it is. It's very clear. So I'm gonna go over a few times so I can get max color payoff, just like that. And just look at that. Oh, I did a thing here. This was the first time where I actually took it extremely slow and really focused on the application of the gel, just to make sure it was spilling over, because look at how cute and flattering that is. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Mwah.